Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul and thank you so much for all the likes, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, then go to my channel and watch all the videos and playlists. And if you're liking those, then hit that subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp our customer care team. 7892652481 is their number, or else you can visit my website smarttrader.co. And for personal training and mentorship from me, Dice Paul, then you can request to my team and they will give you the details. So without wasting time, let's go on with our CNC trading benefits. So this was one of the trade in BAML which I had taken last week, and so the price had gone opposite to my level, so I decided to hold this particular stock and book up my profit later part around 5%. So the stock has crossed 5%. So today it is going up to green and red from long time. If you see, market is also dancing between green and red. It's almost neutral market. So during that period, this stock is going up and down. It went up to 985 also. So so it's going up and down. So 5% is my target as of now for my short term trades, just to exit and get my intraday leverage or my margin. So I'm planning to book off my profit right now. So let me put it off for 972, which would be easier, or let me say 971.90. okay, so my order is placed and it has been executed. So 971.9 is what I sold my holdings, which I had taken at CNC last week. And yeah, so we booked around close to 6% profit in this particular stock. So that is the one advantage when you take trades based on CNC, that is cash and carry. You can hold your particular trade when it goes opposite to you. You can hold that trade for any particular day and then book it up. So around 916 is where I took this particular stock, and the stock has moved up to 980 also. So that is one advantage if you do a CNC buy order. So you can wait for your target, or if you miss your target for the day, you can wait intraday target for the day, then you can wait for the next few days or weeks or months, so that you don't book your losses, so that you can wait and book your profit with patience. So in between that period, you will not do over trading, and you will be more safer. So that is the power of CNC, which I would like to recommend and mention all the beginners to always go with CNC and not take margin, because you cannot do trial and error in margin. So only once you are fine with your accuracy, when your accuracy is about 90%, that is when you have to start taking your leverage and then trade. So hope this was an add-on to your knowledge. Please do like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.